Why no fire should be lit between 12 noon and 3 p.m. on Good Friday, a Jamaican tradition. If you don't believe in Christ, maybe this one's not for you. I'm not in the mood for anyone telling me that Christ na real or asking if I'm trying to convert people. That's not what this is about. I'm simply talking about a tradition many Jamaicans observe on Good Friday, for those who follow Christ and hold the day sacred. That's all. And while it is a tradition, not everyone did it, and not everyone still does. But it's worth knowing where it comes from. In Jamaican culture, Good Friday is one of the most solemn days of the year. It marks the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, and for those who believe, it's a day of mourning, reflection, and reverence. Among the many customs passed down through generations, one stands out. No fire should be lit between 12 noon and 3 p.m. Why those hours? According to the Bible, Jesus was crucified in the morning, around 9 a.m., but it's between 12 noon and 3 p.m. that the most profound events occurred. This is the period when darkness fell over the land. Jesus endured the height of his suffering on the cross. And eventually, he gave up his spirit around 3 p.m. Because of this, those 3 hours are seen as holy and heavy, a time when the earth itself paused in sorrow. In Jamaica, the tradition of not lighting fire during these hours is a way to honor that sacrifice and create a quiet, respectful space. Many families would finish all cooking before noon. Avoid lighting stoves, striking matches, or using flames. Keep children still and quiet. Refrain from playing music or doing any hard labor. Some say that even the animals move slower, the birds go silent, and the very breeze softens during that sacred window. Whether you see it as spiritual or symbolic, the energy of that time is different. But not everyone does it. Let's be clear, not everyone in Jamaica follows this tradition. Some grew up in households where it was strictly observed, while others may have never heard of it. With time, more modern practices have replaced older ones, and beliefs differ from family to family. But for those who do it, it's not about fear or superstition, it's about respect, reflection, and remembrance. So if you see someone preparing everything before noon or taking a pause between 12 and 3, know that it's not just old people's story, it's a deep cultural expression of faith. And again, this isn't about converting anyone. It's simply about acknowledging something that's part of our Jamaican identity and our relationship with Good Friday.